In this video, I will be talking about the best credit cards for fair credit. I just finished a video for the best credit cards for bad credit. You might want to take a look at that one because there are some good offers there, even for people that have fair credit. But this credit card video for fair credit is going to focus mainly on unsecured offers. I'm trying to find the offers that have no annual fees, and some of these same offers will let you earn rewards. This is a follow-up video from a video I did before on 20 different credit cards for fair credit. Now this new video, I will be talking about brand new credit card offers that I never talked about in that last video. So with all of that, let's get started. In my opinion, the first fair credit card you should apply for before any of the others is the Capital One Platinum credit card. I recommend this one because it really is pretty much the best deal you can find, because you're not going to have an annual fee for this card. It is unsecured, and later down the line you can have this product changed to the Capital One Quicksilver card. So what I can recommend is going to the Capital One website and filling out the pre-qualification application. They're going to match you against different credit cards they have available, and if you have fair credit, you have a very good chance of getting approved for the Capital One Platinum card for fair credit or better. But just in case your credit is still not there, they will offer you most likely the Capital One secured credit card, and you might only be required to put a $49 security deposit for a $200 line of credit, and it's something that should be considered because this card can be better than other credit cards that are classified for fair credit. This card will have no annual fee. You'll just have to put that deposit, and now Capital One has started to graduate this secured account to unsecured, so you'll even get that security deposit back. Whereas with some fair credit card offers, they charge a lot of fees that you'll never see again. The next credit card I will be talking about is one that I really don't recommend, and that is the Fortuna credit card. Now, if this is the only credit card you are able to get approved for, well then this can be a useful card for you to help build up your credit score and then later be able to apply for other cards. You can see that on the surface this seems like a really good credit card for fair credit. You see that you can be earning rewards with this card, but unfortunately it's not really easy to learn the fees that they are charging for this card, but I found that information out for you. It ends up that this card not only charges a high annual fee every year, it also charges monthly fees. So even if you do get that reward card earning cash back, you are going to have to spend a lot in order to make up for all the fees. A few videos back, I reviewed the Merrick Double Your Line secured credit card, but there is a Merrick Double Your Line unsecured credit card. And it works just like the secured card, except you don't need to put a security deposit down. So what happens with this card is if you are making on-time payments, after 7 months, they are going to double your credit line, whatever it was that the credit line that they had you start out with. So this is a good way of increasing your available line of credit to help with credit utilization. Also, if you need to compare different fair credit cards, I left a link in the description below so you can see them side by side and decide which of these offers are going to be best for you. So one issuer of credit cards that I feel that does not get talked about enough when you have fair credit is American Express. A lot of people don't know that they do offer opportunities for people when they have fair going towards good credit. I remember I received a letter in the mail to apply for the Amex Green Card. It's one of my first videos that I uploaded onto this channel. I basically had fair credit, close to good, and I received an invitation offer with American Express. But not only that, you don't have to wait in your mailbox for something from American Express. You can go online and see if you can pre-qualify at this point. One reason you want to do this is that if you have a long-term goal of getting the Amex Platinum card or the Amex Gold card, this is a good entry point card to start you off. And I can tell you that it was probably 6 or 8 months after I had the green card, I was offered the platinum card, not the gold card, the platinum card. Have I helped you in this video? Then you know what to do, and hit that like button, share this video with a friend. Other than that, if you want to see my upcoming videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. So a very promising credit card for fair credit is the Allo card. Now this card, at the time of taping this video, is by invitation only. It has been for many years. Maybe one day you can just go on and apply for Allo. But if you receive an invitation offer in the mail, you should carefully consider it, read the terms, and it might be a perfect credit card for you when you have fair credit. These are the two Allo cards that are available. This is a much lower fee option than Fortuna. This card can either have an annual fee or no annual fee depending on your credit score. One card you can take a look at is the Blaze MasterCard. This card isn't the best, but it's not bad at all. They do have an annual fee for this card, but they are not charging any kind of maintenance fee. There are no rewards that you will be earning with this card, but it can be a useful card to help build up your credit. The next best credit card for fair credit is Pedal, or I should say credit cards, because they have two, the Pedal 1, the Pedal 2. These cards are designed for people that are building their credit scores. You can go onto the Pedal website and see if you can pre-qualify for one of their two credit cards. So basically, it doesn't hurt to take a look at Pedal to see what you can pre-qualify for without a hard credit inquiry. So Prosper is the next credit card I will be talking about for fair credit. Now this card is a card that people with fair credit can get approved for, and you can go onto their site and see if you can pre-qualify for this card. You can get a credit line as high as $3,000. Of course, all of this depends on your credit score. What I don't like about Prosper is that there is a $39 annual fee, and if you sign up for auto pay, you do get that annual fee waived, but it is only waived for the first year. After that, the second year, you will be charged an annual fee, whether you have auto pay or not. So I did go over 20 different credit cards for fair credit, and you could check out that video. But mainly I'm going to go over some of the best credit cards that you can get for fair credit with easy credit approval. So one of these credit cards that are the best for fair credit is the Target Red card. Yes, this is a store card. It doesn't have an annual fee, and you earn 5% on all your purchases you make at Target. As long as you have some positive credit history built, you'll probably get a credit line for $1,000. Target is known to have an easier credit approval, and a lot of people also apply for a Walmart credit card, and if you have fair credit, you might have a good chance of getting the Walmart store card. So lastly, since we are talking about store cards, if you shop regularly at Kohl's or at Old Navy, you can find on their websites a pre-qualification application. You can see if you can get pre-qualified before applying. These cards tend to have easy approval. So what I've done in this video is I told you about a bunch of different fair credit cards, but you can also check out my other video that had 20 different fair credit cards, and that can even give you more ideas on what to apply for. If you found value in the video I just did, I'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button. So much would I appreciate it. And if you'd like to see my upcoming videos, hit subscribe and the bell notification. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.